The NVX QBSTA is a powerful and space-saving 11-inch spare tire subwoofer designed for drivers who want deep, clean bass without sacrificing trunk space. Built to mount directly onto the hub of your spare tire, it's compatible with most vehicles that feature a removable spare tire post, making it a stealthy yet highly effective audio upgrade. With a built-in Class D amplifier pushing out 300 watts RMS and 900 watts peak power, the QBSTA delivers rich, immersive low-end that transforms your music. It includes top-mounted amplifier controls for quick tuning, a variable low-pass filter, 50 to 180 Hz, and a bass boost of up to 12 dB at 50 Hz, giving you full control over your sound. Constructed with a durable polypropylene cone, rubber surround, and a heavy-duty die-cast aluminum enclosure, it's built to last and perform even under daily driving conditions. Features like signal sensing for auto turn-on and a wired remote bass-level controller make it easy to use and seamlessly integrate with your current system. Whether you're commuting, cruising, or road tripping, the NVX QBSTA gives you that full-bodied bass experience without taking up a single inch of your trunk.